Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your nationwide credit card. So let's get started. First of all, there is only one method by which you can cancel your credit card. So that is, you can say, calling method. You need to call on this number. As you can see over here, this is the nationwide official website, and on this website you need to call on this number. But before canceling your account, you need to be very careful, and you need to be very you can say aware. Like, you need to, before cancellation, your account balance should be zero and you don't have any kind of payments. And once you done this step, you need to call on this number. As you can see, you need to call on this number. As you can see numbers on your screen. So when you call on this number, and once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your credit card account, and that's it. But make sure you are dialing this number only in using this time frame, otherwise you are going to get difficulty while connecting in there with their customer support team. Okay, so these are the numbers by which you can cancel your nationwide credit card. Hope you are getting my points. If yes, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.